In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the check register in QuickBooks Online, a vital skill for managing your business's financial records effectively. If you're new to QuickBooks or just need a little refresher, you're in the right place. We'll walk through this process step by step, making sure you understand every detail so you can access and manage your check register with confidence. First things first, let's start by signing into your QuickBooks account. Open your web browser, go to the QuickBooks Online website, and click on the Sign In button. You'll find this option prominently displayed on the homepage, ensuring it's easy to access whenever you need it. After clicking Sign In, choose QuickBooks Online from the list of QuickBooks products. This is the version tailored for online use, allowing you to manage your finances from virtually anywhere. Now, with that selected, it's time to enter your credentials. Type in your username and password and then click Continue. This action will bring you right into your QuickBooks dashboard where you can access all your financial data and tools for monitoring your business's performance. Once you're logged in and ready to go, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Click on the Transactions tab. This section of QuickBooks is where all your financial records are located, including sales, expenses, and so much more. It's effectively the hub for tracking every financial move your business makes. From the Transactions section, you want to find and click on Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is essentially a financial organizational tool in QuickBooks. It's a listing of all the accounts and balances in your system, giving you a comprehensive view of your financial position. Within the Chart of Accounts, look for the account that you want to review. In this case, it might be your checking account or any other account relevant to the check transactions you wish to examine. Once you've located the appropriate account, here's the next move. Click on View Register. This step opens up the register for the selected account. Finally, in the check register, you have the freedom to do quite a bit. You can add new transactions to this account, ensuring you capture every financial move your business makes. You can also edit existing transactions if you need to make corrections or updates. And of course, you can simply view the transactions, reviewing dates, amounts, and descriptions to ensure everything is as it should be. By following these steps, you'll be able to easily access your check register in QuickBooks Online, allowing you to maintain a clear and accurate record of your financial transactions. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to explore other features in QuickBooks to further enhance your financial management skills.